Good morning, I am Toby, the Kilted Adventurer. I'm here at the Redoubt recreational area. Really, I just have some time to blow. They have a 1-mile nature track, so I thought I would check it out. Don't have a lot to say about this. It's mostly a soccer complex, but I'll put a musical track underneath, so let's enjoy it together. So my intention was actually to go to a local park called Enterprise South today, which is very close to here. I drove up, and that's actually a COVID vaccination site. So once again, COVID vaccine put my plans to the side. However, I did ask the park ranger, are there any places to film nature nearby? And he told me about this Redoubt soccer complex with this 1-mile nature trail. So why am I telling you this? I have found wherever I go, there's these little jewels. If you just ask somebody or look at the Google Maps, they'll show you different parks and places. So there's really some treasures, even in the middle of a busy part of town like this is. That was fun. Thanks for joining me on this excursion today. If you'd like to see more of these, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Click that bell so you'll get notified when all new videos come out. And if you like it, click that thumbs up for me. Thanks a lot, and always seek adventure.